Arris Modem DS light blinking orange. Step 1. Check power connection. Ensure the modem is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Step 2. Verify coaxial cable. Confirm the coaxial cable is securely connected and undamaged. Step 3. Inspect Ethernet cable. Check that the Ethernet cable is properly plugged into the modem and the connected device. Step 4. Restart the modem. Turn off the modem, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the connection. Step 5. Reset the modem. Hold the reset button on the modem for 10 to 30 seconds to restore it to factory settings. Step 6. Reconnect all cables. Disconnect and reconnect all cables to ensure a firm connection. Step 7. Reboot the router. If using one, power off the router, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on after the modem stabilizes. Step 8. Check modem placement. Place the modem in a location with proper ventilation and away from electronic interference. Step 9. Review modem lights. Wait for the other lights on the modem to stabilize as an indicator of proper functioning.